are here at the magnificent Stowe School, which is my old school, and we've come back to do a 90-second film. We're going to put a nice blink twist on this, and we've plucked 4 brilliant drama students who are going to be our protagonists in this, and we've got some beautiful music that Paddy Fletcher has written, who you may have met before. If you don't, he is this guy. Anyway, we've also got our expert droner Jimmy Howson along, of course. We're here for 5 whole days filming this, so there's no excuse really. The forecast is amazing, and let's get cracking.
We've got a pretty delicate drone situation going on here. Seb running into the music school, DJI Mavic tracking around the step.
Yes, cracking take, cracking shot. Successful flight?
Yeah. Loving it, loving it.
This is Seb.
Hi, I'm Seb.
Seb's our talent for this week.
This is Chad, you know me.
Today is all about the music. We're going into the new music school, and we've got the recording studio, which is mega. We've got 4 kids playing this wonderful piece that Paddy has written. So here you go. Brilliant, guys, well done, thank you.
I've just been recording everything in slow-mo, so there's been no volume for like the last...
That's why you are not allowed behind the camera.
Once again.
And that's a wrap at Stowe School, everybody. See you on the flip side.